I've got a great magnifying glass today. Not only does it have 10 and 30 time magnification power, it also has LED lights. Now, there's 5 different modes with these lights, as well as different brightness levels. And the brightness levels, they easily go up and down, so it's not like a harsh, like, so I really like that. But let me kind of show you the modes here right back so you can kind of see the difference. So kind of cool tones, warm tones. But yeah, 5 different modes, like a natural daylight mode. And then also the brightening and dimming. So let's go ahead and dim this like that. Goes all the way off. And then you can brighten it all the way up. But the way I like to use these is, when you have directions, for instance, for the lamp, parts of this are kind of small, but when I put it behind the lamp, then I can actually see it. And the light helps tremendously. I've had magnification before with no light, and it's still hard to see because I need the light. So I like it for reading things. If you do crafting like diamond art or cross stitch or anything like that, that is also super helpful, especially with the 30 magnification light there. Can you see that? Let me see. Let me turn that light off. So right here, this little spot here, that's a 30 magnification. So if you really have to focus in on something, you can, compared to like the 10. So that's super magnified at 30. And then here's 10. Let me try to show you too with the directions here. So I've got the 10, not getting a good light angle. Let's see. It's kind of hard to show on video, but you've got that there. Try to line that up for you. So comes with here's the box. It does come with the instructions, also comes with 2 cleaning cloths. I was gonna say another thing I like is like medicine bottles. Sometimes that's hard to read what's on there, the directions. So another really great use if you're not using it for crafting or reading, grab those medicine bottles. Does come also with the block, the cord, everything is included. So you just attach the arm to the base. That's super simple, and you're ready to go. So if you really are looking for that great magnification, again, let me show you the different light modes. Get that brightened back up again. So really allows you to find what works best for your eyes and whatever project you're working on. So a really great light, and I highly recommend it.